Hey, what's up everybody? It's Princess Queen V, and on this video I'm going to show you how I curls my hair using a flat iron. It's just to give my hair a little bit of extra volume. So if you're interested in this, please continue watching. I find it quite giving volume if I just give loose curls, like I'm making loose curls, and it just make my hair to be a little bit more like bushy, because once they're straight everything is like so thin. And guys, if you're actually new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. And for those who are my previous subscribers, so please welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just playing with y'all. Yeah, but please don't forget to subscribe. Actually, to curl my hair like this using a flat iron, it takes me a few minutes, like 3.5, and I'm done. That's it. It's not hard, it's not complicated. You just play with your hair a little bit and just give it a bouncy curls. That's it. You're done. You're going. So if you like this tutorial, or at least you learned something out of it, please don't forget to comment down below the description box. I am in the journey of growing my natural hair. Like, basically I have quite thin hair before, trust me. Like, that is better. Before it was the thinnest hair ever, but I do some hair mask that really help my hair to get volume and glow. I mean, to grow a little bit more longer than before. And I'm excited to see my hair growing and healthier. I'm so happy. And that's what I'm talking about. You see the volume that I'm kind of getting right now? That's what I'm saying. Like, it's not like the deep cold, because my hair is shorter, and this is the only way like to give it volume. Just do a little bit of like messy curls, just to give that bounce to your hair and just make it fuller, as you can see right there. Cute as that. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate that. So see you on my next video. And don't forget to comment down below what you would love to see on my next video. What would you love me to film, for example? So see you guys. Much love. Enjoy your Christmas.